bioethics stands as a profoundly multidisciplinary field. It draws upon philosophy, medicine, law, theology, and social sciences to address complex moral dilemmas. This interdisciplinary nature is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of its scope. This field specifically explores the ethical implications arising from biological and medical advancements. As science progresses, new capabilities emerge, often presenting unprecedented moral questions. Bioethics provides a structured approach to these novel challenges. It grapples with complex questions originating from healthcare practices. Decisions concerning patient care, treatment options, and the allocation of medical resources frequently involve profound ethical considerations. Bioethics offers frameworks for navigating these difficult choices. Furthermore, bioethics addresses critical issues within biotechnology and the broader life sciences. Innovations in areas like genetic engineering or reproductive technologies demand careful ethical scrutiny. The field ensures that scientific progress aligns with societal values. A primary aim of bioethics is to provide a robust framework for responsible decision-making. This framework guides individuals, healthcare professionals, policymakers, and researchers. It helps ensure that choices are not only scientifically sound but also ethically justifiable. The discipline actively seeks to balance scientific progress with fundamental human values. While innovation is vital, it must not come at the expense of human dignity, autonomy, or well-being. Bioethics acts as a moral compass in this delicate balance. Ultimately, bioethics prioritizes human rights and well-being above all else. It advocates for the protection of vulnerable populations and ensures that medical and scientific endeavors serve humanity's best interests. This commitment forms the bedrock of its principles. The scope of bioethics is indeed vast and comprehensive, touching upon nearly every aspect of human life and scientific endeavor. Its reach extends from the beginning of life to its very end, and beyond. This breadth reflects the pervasive impact of biological and medical science. This extensive scope includes critical end-of-life care considerations. Decisions surrounding the cessation of treatment, comfort care, and the patient's final wishes are central to bioethical discourse. These discussions require sensitivity and a deep understanding of human values. Bioethics directly addresses highly sensitive issues such as euthanasia and physician-assisted suicide. These topics involve profound questions about the right to die, the role of medical professionals, and the sanctity of life. Societies grapple with varying legal and moral stances on these practices. The field also covers the vital area of palliative care. This approach focuses on providing relief from the symptoms and stress of a serious illness, aiming to improve quality of life for both the patient and their family. Ethical considerations ensure compassionate and holistic care. Bioethics encompasses the rapidly evolving domain of reproductive technologies. This includes methods like in vitro fertilization, surrogacy, and pre-implantation genetic diagnosis. These technologies raise questions about parenthood, genetic selection, and the status of embryos. It deals extensively with genetic screening, both prenatal and postnatal. Such screening offers insights into potential health conditions or predispositions. Ethical dilemmas arise concerning informed consent, the right not to know, and potential discrimination. The field explores the profound implications of genetic engineering, including gene editing and cloning. Technologies like CRISPR offer unprecedented control over genetic material, raising hopes for disease cures but also concerns about unintended consequences and human enhancement. Bioethics also involves the complex ethical aspects of organ transplantation. This includes issues of donor consent, allocation of scarce organs, and the definition of death. Ensuring fairness and respect for both donors and recipients is paramount. A significant focus is placed on research ethics, particularly the principle of informed consent. Participants in clinical trials must fully understand the risks and benefits before agreeing to participate. Protecting human subjects from exploitation is a core ethical duty. Bioethics further examines the ethical treatment of animals in experimentation. It seeks to minimize suffering and ensure that animal research is justified and conducted humanely. The balance between scientific advancement and animal welfare is a constant challenge. Its reach extends to public health policies, such as vaccination mandates. These policies involve balancing individual liberties with the collective good of public health. Ethical analysis helps determine the justification and implementation of such measures. Finally, bioethics addresses the critical issue of resource allocation in healthcare. Given finite resources, decisions must be made about who receives what treatment. This involves principles of justice, equity, and the prioritization of needs. A central tenet of bioethics is the systematic application of core ethical principles. These principles serve as foundational guides for analyzing moral dilemmas and making reasoned decisions. They provide a common language for ethical discourse. The first principle is autonomy, which emphasizes respecting individuals' right to make their own decisions. Competent patients have the right to accept or refuse medical treatment, free from coercion. This principle underpins informed consent and patient self-determination. Next is beneficence, which dictates acting in the best interests of the patient. Healthcare providers are ethically bound to promote the well-being of those under their care. This involves providing effective treatments and striving for positive outcomes. The principle of non-maleficence means actively avoiding harm. This is often summarized as do no harm. Medical interventions should not inflict unnecessary suffering or injury. It requires careful consideration of potential risks alongside benefits. Justice is another crucial principle, ensuring the fair distribution of resources and treatment. This principle addresses questions of equity in healthcare access, research participation, and the allocation of scarce medical goods. It seeks to prevent discrimination and promote fairness. Bioethics acknowledges that these principles often conflict in real-world scenarios. For instance, respecting a patient's autonomous decision to refuse life-saving treatment might conflict with the principle of beneficence. Such conflicts necessitate careful deliberation. Therefore, resolving bioethical dilemmas requires careful consideration and thoughtful deliberation to reach sound conclusions. There are rarely simple answers, and a nuanced understanding of each principle's application is essential. This process often involves weighing competing values. Bioethical discussions inherently involve diverse perspectives from various stakeholders. This includes medical professionals, patients, families, policymakers, legal experts, philosophers, and the general public. Each group brings unique insights and concerns to the table. This collaborative approach fosters critical thinking and promotes informed dialogue. By engaging multiple viewpoints, bioethics encourages a deeper understanding of complex issues. It moves beyond individual biases to seek broadly acceptable solutions. Bioethics actively develops ethical guidelines for practice and policy, continually adapting to new technologies and societal changes. These guidelines provide practical frameworks for navigating emerging challenges. They ensure that ethical considerations keep pace with scientific progress. Ultimately, bioethics plays a vital role in ensuring responsible scientific advancements. It promotes human flourishing and upholds human dignity in an era of rapid technological change. The field serves as a crucial guardian of our shared moral landscape.